Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 26th, and this is my analysis for gold. And we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with, because on the 4-hour time frame we did hit that 78% Fibonacci retracement today, which is the retracement of this whole move down on the 4-hour time frame. Now, my higher time frames has us potentially continuing the uptrend, but if it does start to really significantly break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, we definitely want to reevaluate that and start looking for shorts again. But if I go down to the 1 hour time frame, I can show you what I think is going to happen. I think because of that 78% fib, we might get a push down. And the fact that this looks like 1, 2, 3 down, potentially 1, 2, 3 up, means that it might end up making 5 waves down. And this would be like the wave A, this would be like a wave B, this would be like a wave C, and this would be like an expanding flat for the continuation of the uptrend. So if it does start to push down, towards these lows, put your Fibonacci retracement out there, and that should help you, or maybe Fibonacci extension on the wave A projected off the wave B, and that should help you find areas of support where the wave C potentially could end. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.